Within Vietnam's Happy Fest 2025, photography is seen as essential in observing moments of happiness and capturing them. And this was the message of the Happiness Lens workshop taking place on the 6th and to 7th of December at the Hồ Gươm Information and Cultural Center. And the event provided a space for participants to connect, participate, practice, and explore photography as a rich visual form of expression.
How to hold a camera, find the right angle, and create images full of emotion were the key lessons at the Happiness Lens workshop. Led by photographer Trần Nhân Quyền from the Hà Nội Academy of Theatre and Cinema, the event attracted photography enthusiasts of all levels.
I think I was one of the first to register. I was impressed because the instructor focused on the emotions of the photographer, something many of us still lack. I realized there's still so much for me to learn. I gained a lot today, and I will definitely apply it in the future.
Coming to this workshop, I truly feel like the name of the workshop is happiness. I learned more about photography and felt that each photo carries a message that many people, including myself, do not often have the chance to feel.
Besides the instructors sharing, participants also practiced with cameras and phones. They learned how to convey messages, emotion, and their personal touch through each image.
He taught us things such as ISO, how to use lenses, shutter speed, and aperture. But the most important thing is perspective. As he said, some people hold a camera all their life but still struggle to create photos that truly reach others.
Through the Happiness Lens workshop, I hope young people and photography lovers will explore and discover more. I believe they will create images that are vivid and meaningful, showing the beauty of Vietnamese culture.
At the Happiness Lens workshop, the participants not only learn how to choose their own perspectives, but also capture joyful moments like a real photographer. And more than just an event, this space is also a shared space where community could share and celebrate the beauty of visual art.